Hello guys, welcome back to the Food Ninja, where every bite is a delicious surprise attack. That being said, grab your fork, chopstick, or even your hands and let's dive in. So today we will be making bell pepper sauce with some seafood. So here with me I have catfish, shrimp, I have the bell peppers, I have two yellow bell peppers, I have I have four of the green bell peppers, but I'm going to use just two. So I have two, for the purpose of this video, I have two green bell peppers, I have two red bell peppers, I have two orange bell peppers. Sorry, eight total bell peppers for this bell pepper sauce. So to go with the bell pepper, peppers, I have onions. I'm going to use 1.5 onions. I have Roma tomatoes. I have 5 Roma tomatoes for this sauce. Then the other things I have is the prawn. I have scotch bonnet peppers. I have curry. I have thyme. I have Maggi. I have salt. I have ginger and garlic. I have the grinded crayfish. And I also have scent leaf. So this is scent leaf. Okay, it's already washed. So here is everything that I have: ginger and garlic. So without wasting any much time, let me go ahead and just show you quickly how to clean the bell peppers, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll just show you on how to clean the bell peppers. Then I'm going to pause the video and clean the remaining ones. So you take it out like this. You take out all the seeds. Take out all the seeds. And all everything inside. You want it to be clean like this. That's how you use the bell pepper. So that ain't settled. This is how you want your bell pepper to look. You take out all the seeds. So I'm going to pause this video, go ahead and clean everything, cut it, and then we continue. The first thing you do is to steam the fish. So here I have 4 big catfish of this. I have just 4 of them. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt.